soon. Okay? Bye. Welcome to the Castle Tower. Castle Tower. This is just for grown-ups. Do you even know, baby? What? Do you even know how to do it? Ow, Adele, you're stepping on my hand. I didn't know that. For a party, guys. Anybody come with me to the party? Hey, come to the party with me. I have a party. Wanna come with me to the party? It's a birthday party. A party for you. It's a birthday party. For who? Yeah, it's a birthday party. For you. Didn't I kill you? Okay, but she's 2 years old. You wanna go to the party with us? 3 years old. We're just walking on the highways. Well, we're not we're going to the party. This is our home. No, this is our home. So you can go in it, but don't mess up. And if you see that's our jewelry. That's in there. If you see jewelry, that's our jewelry. We're the princesses. Okay, but I don't know if we walk in there first. Megan, you're still the baby. I know, but I'm just pretending that she's carrying it. Happy birthday to you. That's our kitchen. That's a steakhouse. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, no. This is the top of our castle. No, this is our kitchen. When you climb down, because I'm not sure how to get down. Whoa, come down, guys, please. Okay, it's okay, because I didn't get out. Please come down, guys. We need to find another birthday party that's for baby. Come down, guys. We're going down, but give us a minute. Please, do this. Guys, I'm right in front of you guys. Come down. We need a birthday party. It's a bigger birthday party too. Come on. No. It's in somewhere that we use for camp. I think get down there. Aha! Come on, guys. No, we need to find a bigger birthday party. A bigger one. Come on. Ahoy, visitors. Baby, come on. Let's go see where Megan is. Can you step? You want to go to the ocean party? No, we are going to the birthday party. Ow. Whoa. Ocean party has a go. Nobody wants to go to. Yeah, ocean. I love this. Okay, I'm about to turn off the house. So everybody needs to get off of here. Hey, Megan. I'm the baby. I forgot. Hey, baby. Baby. Oh, no. What baby? Megan is the baby. Baby. Are you the baby? Not me. Baby. Baby, it's time to go to your... I didn't kill you. It's time to go to the birthday. Okay.